Finding a niche for Amazon FBA involves identifying a specific market segment with demand and low competition. Here's how to do it effectively. Research market trends. Use tools like Google Trends and Amazon's bestsellers to identify trending products. Look for categories with growing interest and increasing search volumes. Analyze competition. Examine existing products on Amazon. Check the number of reviews and ratings to gauge competition. Look for niches with lower competition but sufficient demand. Identify gaps and opportunities. Read customer reviews on Amazon and other platforms to find common complaints or unmet needs. Use this feedback to identify product gaps that you can address. Leverage keyword research. Use keyword research tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or Merchant Words to discover high search volume keywords with low competition. These keywords can guide you to profitable niches. Evaluate profitability. Calculate potential profit margins by considering product costs, Amazon fees, and competition pricing. Choose niches that offer a healthy profit margin. Test demand. Consider running small test campaigns or using Amazon's PPC advertising to gauge demand for potential niche products before fully committing. Assess seasonality. Be aware of seasonal trends that might affect your niche. Choose products with consistent demand or plan for seasonal fluctuations.